What's the best investment you can make right now in this economy? I'm no economist, I'm a hair transplant surgeon, but I've got your back. The best investment you can make is always in yourself, and that's always going to remain constant over any amount of time. Anytime you invest in yourself, you're not only giving yourself that extra edge, that extra competitiveness against anyone who's running against you for the same position, anything in life that's competitive. You're giving yourself that competitive edge and you're making yourself more confident. You're giving yourself that boost of self-esteem that everybody needs. Anytime you invest in yourself, you're always going to get a high return on investment. So don't think of hair transplant as a cost you have to make, a burden. Think of it as an investment in yourself, and it's going to continually pay off during the decades that follow. Or ideally, if you go to the right surgeon, it will. So big picture here is always invest in yourself and you will have the return on investment that you're looking for.